Hi there, students. Nascent. Nascent is an adjective meaning coming into existence or having recently come into existence. Something that's just started to grow. So there is a nascent interest in this subject. In the past, people weren't interested about it, but now there is an emerging interest, a nascent interest in it. A nascent political party. It's recently been formed and it's starting to grow. It's starting to develop. It's recently been born. Okay, so just coming into existence. The nascent industry of carbon capture. Okay, we need to capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and this is a new growing industry. The nascent democracy in a country that once was a dictatorship. So it's changing, it's becoming new. A nascent football club. It's recently been formed and it's starting to develop and grow. I guess you could say the nascent sun in the morning as you just see it start to come up over the horizon. Okay, so nascent, it's an adjective talking about something that has just come into existence. Emergent, emerging, immature, inchoate, incipient, infant. Yeah, okay, it's just been born. It's starting to grow. So I think there will be lots of new nascent trends after this COVID epidemic. I think there is a nascent interest in going to live in the country. For years, everybody's always been going to the city, but now there's a nascent desire to move out of the cities again because of all the problems with them. Yeah, a nascent industry, a nascent marketplace. So, yeah, a nascent middle class, a nascent singing career, budding, yeah, coming out, just starting to develop. It's an easy word to use. So what about formality, nascent? This sounds pretty literary. I think I'd probably give it 6.5 out of 10, something like that. More informally, maybe budding, developing, coming out, something like that. And then let's see, as to origin, well, this one comes from Latin, nascens, nascentis, from the verb nascor, meaning I am born. Yeah, renaissance. Yeah, there we go. Rebirth, and that's the idea. So enough, nascent, new, coming out, budding, starting to grow. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nascent.